Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make free thumbnail for YouTube with AI. So if you want to make amazing YouTube thumbnails for free, today I'm going to show you the best AI tool to design thumbnails that get clicks. So why AI thumbnails? A great thumbnail can double your views, and with AI you don't need Photoshop or design skills. You just type your idea and AI does the rest. So the AI tool that we're going to use is Canva AI. It's completely free to start and works in your browser, so no install needed. You can just go to the canva.com and sign in, and then here you can go to the Canva AI, and then you can just type your idea. For example, in here, I'm going to go this one, cartoon style person holding a laptop of bright colors YouTube logo. Here you guys can see it will automatically choose cartoon as the style because I mentioned it in here. And then for the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with 16:9 for YouTube. Then you can just click on generate. So apparently I cannot do it because I include the YouTube logo. So let's try without the YouTube logo, and you can just add it later on the Canva editor. So these are the result, but I choose to format it as a YouTube thumbnail, and Canva AI is generating it again for me. So let's just wait. Okay, so this is the result. As you guys can see, you can just choose which one that you like the best. For example, I'm going to go with this one in here. You can click on this pencil icon to edit it more, and click on this use Canva editor, and you can add the YouTube logo and also your own logo later on. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.